After the overwhelming defeat at Badr, the elites of Makkah did not mourn, they plotted. Their hearts burned with one desire: vengeance.
Wahshi, my uncle was slain at Badr. Avenge him by killing Hamza, and I shall grant you the breath of freedom.
Avenge my father and my brother. Kill the lion, and this gold, this jewelry, and this scarlet dress are yours. Avenge him by killing Hamza.
So, on the day of Uhud, in front of mountain Uhud was the battleground, and archers were on the Rumat mountain.
Advance for Hubal! Avenge your dead!
When the armies clashed, Wahshi had no interest in the war. He was not a soldier of Makkah. He was a man hunting for his life prize, freedom. Wahshi says, I looked at Muhammad ﷺ, but the Ansar and Muhajirin surrounded him like a fortress. I could not reach him. Then I saw Ali. Ali was death itself, alert from front, the back, the right, the left. To approach him was to embarrass the grave. No, my target was the lion, Hamza. Wahshi creeps behind the large rock. After Hamza killed one person, the lion of Allah moved forward. Wahshi balanced his javelin. He waited for the perfect moment and threw it. The spear pierced his lower abdomen, driving through his body. Even in agony, the lion turned. He took one step towards Wahshi, 2 steps, and collapsed. Wahshi had attained his freedom. He carved opened the chest of the fallen hero, removing his liver, and brought it to Hind. Her joy was a morbid, terrifying sight, but her wrath was not satisfied. In an act of savage disrespect, she and the women mutilated the bodies of martyrs. Noses and ears were severed, turned into necklaces. When the battle ended, the messenger of Allah searched for his beloved uncle. When he found Hamza at the edge of the plain, the sight shattered his heart. The lion of Allah lay mutilated. Tears flowed from the Prophet's eye. He stood over the body and spoke words of immense sorrow. I had never suffered a grief like this. No day will ever be as painful to me as this day. The Prophet ordered the martyrs to be buried in the garments they fell in, carrying the scent of their sacrifice. According to the Seerah traditions, the Prophet led the funeral prayer for Hamza. Then each martyr was brought forward. They were placed beside Hamza. One by one, the martyrs were prayed upon, but Hamza remained. By the end, the funeral prayer had been recited over the lion of Allah over 70 times. They thought they had humiliated him, but in the heavens he was given a crown, Hazrat Hamza ibn Abdul-Muttalib, Sayyidul Shuhada, the chief of martyrs.